Bidorbuy is one of the leading online marketplaces in South Africa, offering a platform for individuals and businesses to buy and sell a wide range of products. If you're looking to start selling on Bidorbuy, follow this comprehensive guide to get started. Step 1. Create a Bidorbuy account. Visit the Bidorbuy website, go to Bidorbuy. Register, click on the Register button at the top right corner of the homepage. Fill in your details, complete the registration form with your personal information, including your name, email address, and password. Confirm your email, check your email for a confirmation message from Bidorbuy and follow the link to verify your account. Step 2. Set up your seller profile. Log into your new Bidorbuy account. Access the selling section, navigate to the sell link, usually found at the top of the page. Complete seller information, fill in the required information about yourself or your business. This includes contact information, payment details, and any other relevant information. Verify your identity. You may need to provide identification and proof of address to complete the verification process. Step 3. List your products. Go to the selling page, click on Sell an item to start listing your products. Choose a category, select the most appropriate category for your item. Create your listing title, write a clear and concise title for your product. Description, provide a detailed description, including specifications, features, and condition of the item. Photos, upload high-quality images of your product from different angles. Pricing, set your price, which can be a fixed price or an auction starting price. Shipping, specify shipping options, including costs and delivery time. Step 4. Manage your listings and orders. Monitor your listings, regularly check your listings for questions from potential buyers and respond promptly. Manage orders, once an item is sold, you will receive a notification. Process the order quickly, ensuring the item is packaged well and shipped within the promised time frame. Update inventory, keep your inventory updated to avoid overselling items you no longer have in stock. Step 5. Promote your listings. Use Bidorbuy promotions, take advantage of Bidorbuys promotional tools to highlight your listings. This can include featured listings, homepage banners, and special promotions. Social media and marketing. Share your listings on social media and other marketing channels to reach a broader audience. Step 6. Provide excellent customer service communication, maintain clear and prompt communication with buyers. Answer their questions and provide updates on their orders. Resolve issues, handle any disputes or issues professionally. Bidorbuy has a resolution center to assist with disputes if needed. Feedback, encourage satisfied customers to leave positive feedback. Positive reviews build your reputation and attract more buyers. Step 7. Review and improve. Analyze sales, regularly review your sales data to understand what's working and what's not. Improve listings, make necessary adjustments to your listings based on feedback and sales performance. Expand your inventory, consider expanding your product range to attract more buyers. Competitive pricing, research similar products to price your items competitively. By following these steps and maintaining a focus on quality and customer service, you can successfully start and grow your selling business on Bidorbuy. Starting to sell on Bidorbuy is a straightforward process, but success requires careful planning, attention to detail, and excellent customer service. By following this guide and continuously improving your approach, you can build a thriving online business on Bidorbuy. Happy selling!